Welcome to the SacredBox Provider Dashboard, your central hub for seamlessly managing your bookings. In this guide, we'll explore the booking management section and showcase all the features available to you. After a successful login, you'll be directed to the My Bookings page, where you can use the tabs to view your bookings based on their status. To access more details about a specific booking, simply click on the edit icon. This will display the full booking details, ensuring you remain organized and well-informed. If you wish to return to the booking list, just click the back button. Should you decide to work on a booking, select the Go to Messages button next to it. This will take you to the SacredBox Messaging section, where you can engage directly with your client. Within the messaging area, you can request clarification from your client or submit your service response to address their requirements. If you need to make amendments to a booking, such as cancelling it, simply use the menu button on the Details page. For further information, please refer to our payment terms and membership agreement. And there you have it, your booking management page is a powerful tool designed to keep your SacredBox experience both organized and efficient.